Welcome to another episode of our After Effects tutorial series. Today I'll teach you how to create this glowing text reveal in After Effects. So let's get started. As you can see, we are in After Effects now. With my text layer created, I'm going to go into the settings and under animate. I'll select opacity, then I'll go into my range selector and set a keyframe for my offset from 0 to 100. We'll set the opacity to 0. Then we'll duplicate the text layer and we'll call this layer Glow. Hide the layer underneath it and we'll go into the range selector here. Animate the ending alongside the offset, so I'll set that to 0 and right when the offset hits 100. Then go into the advance and set the mode from add to subtract. Now with the second layer selected, go ahead and disable the fill and select stroke. Create a solid layer and go to Effects panel and select 4-color gradient. Select the color you want then alt-click here to add expression. Here type in wiggle open bracket 0.5 comma 1000. And then I will copy this expression on every point. I'll set this layer as a track meta to the glow layer. Now add glow. Okay guys, this was it for today. So I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed this video. Make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next.